Hello everyone. Welcome to this comparative analysis of two popular programming languages, C++ and Python. In this video, we'll explore their main differences, use cases, performance, and which one might be best suited for which scenario. Let's dive in. C++ and Python are widely used programming languages, but they follow different philosophies. C++ focuses on performance and gives developers low-level control over hardware, which is why it's widely used in system software, game engines, and embedded systems. Python emphasizes simplicity and productivity. Its clean syntax and readability make it perfect for rapid application development, scripting, and data science. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right tool for your projects. Let's compare the syntax. In C++, code is statically typed and compiled. That means you need to declare variable types and compile your programs before running it. For example, a simple Hello World program in C++ looks like this. Python, on the other hand, is dynamically typed and interpreted, so you can run code immediately without declaring types. The same Hello World in Python is just one line, print hello world. As you can see, Python is more concise while C++ gives you more control over the structure of the program. Performance. Performance is a key difference. C++ is compiled directly to machine code, which makes it very fast and efficient. It's ideal for applications where speed is critical. Python is slower because it's interpreted, but its performance is often sufficient for most tasks, especially when optimized using libraries like NumPy or TensorFlow. So if execution speed is crucial, C++ is the better choice. If you value rapid development and ease of use, Python works well. Use cases. Both languages are versatile, but they shine in different domains. C++ is commonly used in game development with engines like Unreal and embedded systems and performance critical backend software. Python dominates in AI and machine learning, data analysis, automation, and web development using frameworks like Django or Flask. Knowing the primary use cases helps you pick the right language for your project or career path. Learning curve. Let's talk about the learning curve and readability. C++ has a steeper learning curve due to its complex syntax, manual memory management, and strict type system. Python is beginner friendly with a clean minimal syntax that emphasizes readability. Error handling is also simpler in Python with simpler runtime exceptions where C++ requires understanding compile time errors. For students just starting, Python is easier to pick up, but learning C++ provides a deeper understanding of programming fundamentals. Conclusion. To summarize, C++ gives you control and performance while Python offers simplicity and rapid development. Choose C++ for system level or performance critical applications. Choose Python for AI, data analysis, web development, and scripting. Ideally, learning both languages gives you a strong foundation and flexibility as a programmer. Both are widely used in industry, and understanding their strengths will make you a more versatile developer. Thank you for watching. I hope this comparison helps you understand the differences between C++ and Python and guides you in choosing the right language for your projects. Keep experimenting and see you in the next video.